Hello friends, welcome to English Grammar. Today we are going to dig deep between a phrase and a clause. Both of them are groups of words, but they each do different things. So let's break that down.
A clause is a group of words with a subject and verb. It's a complete sentence. A phrase is a group of words without a subject and verb. It doesn't make a sense itself.
Together with the following examples. The first question, is it true that the bus to City Mall? This question above does not make sense. It does have a subject, but it does not have a verb, and it is not a complete idea. It is a phrase, and hence a sentence fragment. The second question, is it true that the bus goes to City Mall? This question does make sense. It has a subject and a verb, and is a complete idea. Therefore, the bus goes to City Mall is a clause and a complete sentence. Types of clauses. There are two types of clauses. Independent clauses. A complete sentence makes sense on its own as a sentence. Examples. I like cats and dogs. Dad plays tennis every weekend. Sarah goes to the cinema on Sunday. Dependent clauses do not express a complete thought. Examples. When it is raining. Because you were late. Before you go to bed. There are different kinds of phrases. Noun phrase, verb phrase, adjective phrase, adverb phrase, prepositional phrase, gerund phrase, infinitive phrase, appositive phrase, participle phrase, absolute phrase. Noun phrase. A noun phrase is either a pronoun or any group of words that can be replaced by a pronoun. For example, the children in class 6. Verb phrase. A verb phrase is a portion of a sentence that contains both the verb and either a direct or indirect object. For example, studies English. Adjective phrase. An adjective phrase is a group of words headed by an adjective that describes a noun or a pronoun. For example, very pretty. Adverb phrase. An adverb may be a single word, such as quickly, here, or yesterday. However, adverbs can also be phrases. Prepositional phrase. A phrase that begins with a preposition and ends in a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase. For example, in the garden. Gerund phrase. Phrase consisting of a gerund and any modifiers or objects associated with it. For example, running is fun. Infinitive phrase. Infinitive phrases include infinitives, for example, to teach, to eat, to learn. A positive phrase. An appositive is a noun or pronoun, often with modifiers, set beside another noun or pronoun to explain or identify it. For example, the insect farm. Participle phrase. A participial phrase is a group of words consisting of a participle and a modifier. English has two types of participles. The present participle, such as the rising sun. The past participle, such as the risen sun. Absolute phrase. Absolute is something that is always true and accepted as fact. For example, the idea that everyone will die someday.